Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can earn coins from Bharatpe app. So for that, just open the Bharatpe app. So after opening the app, in the bottom right corner we can just see the rewards section right there. Just tap on the rewards section right there. So after tapping on the rewards section, we can just see, when we scroll down we can see earn coin section right here. So by linking the payments of the RuPay credit card or your UPI credit card line, or when we swipe to the left side, we can see there's a lots of option right there. So by doing these things we can earn coins easily on Bharatpe app. So this is how gonna earn coins from Bharatpe app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.